Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Wellbeing Wisdom. Today, we're diving into something that has taken the health and wellness world by storm. Intermittent fasting. Whether you're curious about it, already trying it out, or just looking for ways to boost your health, this video is for you. So what exactly happens to your body and brain when you practice intermittent fasting? Let's break it down. First, let's clear up what intermittent fasting actually is. If isn't about what you eat, it's about when you eat. The most popular methods include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and drastically reduce calories on the other 2 days. But regardless of the method you choose, the benefits can be pretty significant. So let's get into what actually happens inside your body and brain when you fast. Alright, let's start with the body. When you fast, your body goes through several stages. After about 12 hours without food, your body enters a state called ketosis. This is when your body starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose. Your insulin levels drop, which not only helps with fat burning but also lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. And because your insulin levels are lower, your body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy. It's like switching your fuel source from quick-burning kindling to slow-burning logs. But it's not just about fat loss. During fasting, your body triggers a process called autophagy. Autophagy is like your body's natural recycling system. It cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones, which can help prevent diseases and promote longevity. So, fasting doesn't just help you lose weight, it can actually help your body function better at a cellular level. Section 3. How intermittent fasting affects the brain. Now, let's talk about the brain. One of the most fascinating effects of intermittent fasting is how it impacts your brain health. When you fast, your brain increases the production of a protein called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is like a growth factor for your brain. It helps create new neurons and strengthens existing ones, which can improve memory, mood, and cognitive function. In fact, studies suggest that higher levels of BDNF are associated with a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. And that's not all. Fasting also reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, both of which are linked to aging and cognitive decline. Some research even suggests that fasting could enhance learning and protect against brain damage. Section 4. Are there any downsides? Of course, like anything, intermittent fasting isn't without its challenges. For some, it can be hard to adjust to going without food for extended periods, especially at first. There can also be risks for people with certain medical conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Side effects like hunger, fatigue, and irritability are common, especially when you're just starting out. It's also important to make sure you're still getting enough nutrients during your eating windows. So if you're thinking about trying intermittent fasting, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider first to make sure it's right for you. Section 5. Conclusion and call to action. So there you have it, how intermittent fasting can change your body and brain. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or boost your brain power, it might just be worth a try. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content like this. And let me know in the comments, have you tried intermittent fasting? What was your experience like? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.